everyone, this is Melissa Moak again, and this is our 4th week of CIT 365, and this is Megadesk 1.1. Last week, if you've been following my videos, was Megadesk 1.0, and it was where we validated the width and the depth properties in the add quote. This week, we've done quite a few extra things such that each of these buttons here now actually go somewhere and display things. So this is just a nice demo of Megadesk 1.0. Next week we should finish it up entirely. So first off, let's go to add new quote, and we've got everything in here that we did last time, but there have been a few changes. One of which is this submit quote button, which wasn't there before. So I can go in and make a quote here that's 34 and 23. I can select the number of drawers I want on the desk with probably 2. I can change this to be maybe a veneer, and maybe we'll put 5 rush days. And then I can click submit quote, and it now has this nice display quote here that shows me the customer's name, the date that it happened, the width and depth, and the number of drawers and things, as well as the big quote price here at the bottom. So I can hit close, and it takes me back out to the main menu, where I can now go search for that. It was a veneer, and you can see, here's Thomas right here, February 3rd, as well as any other orders that I've made, or these other people have made, that are also veneers. I can also check pine, laminate, oak, and rosewood, and they all have something in there. So then I can click cancel and look at view quotes, which shows me all the quotes I've made to date. So you can notice here at the very bottom was the one that we just made, as well as any of these other ones that have been made before. I can then click cancel, and I can go add new quote if I want to, click cancel, or I can just exit out of the application. So that's my demo of the Megadesk 1.1. And I hope that it meets the requirements for the demo. Thanks for watching.